How to manage Windows Update settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control how and when updates are installed on your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. At this point, click Check for Updates at the top right to manually scan for any updates that are available. Following this, if updates are found, click Download and Install to get them going straight away. After that, scroll down to see the additional options available on this page. From here, click on Advanced Options to get into the more detailed update settings. At this point, you'll find a toggle for Receive Updates for other Microsoft products. Turn this on if you want Windows Update to also keep things like Office and other Microsoft apps up to date automatically. Following this, you'll also see a toggle for Download Updates over metered connections. Leave this off if you're on a limited data plan to avoid unexpected data usage. After that, scroll down and click on Delivery Optimization if you want to control whether Windows downloads update files from other PCs on your network or the internet to speed things up. From here, go back to the main Windows Update page and click on Active Hours to set the time range when you're typically using your PC, so Windows knows to schedule restarts outside of those hours. Finally, if you want to delay updates temporarily, look for the Pause Updates option on the main Windows Update page and select how many weeks you want to hold them off. That's how you manage Windows Update settings in Windows 11. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then.